Oh, God damn it.
What the fuck?
Oh! Holy shit! Does not shut. And these are all fucking loose. This is all very typical Explorer shit. I've seen it all before. I've had enough of these. And also, even if I turn the key, this doesn't open. I'm guessing the cable or something broke. Nice thing is you got easy access to that. So another thing I'm gonna take a look at. All right, so I found the issue pretty quick with this liftgate not opening. You can tell something ain't hooked up because there isn't even the slightest bit of tension. This thing just flaps back and forth. So take a look in here. See that little thing right there? Check this out. And that little pole above it, that little metal thing hanging down, is supposed to be hooked into that. So I'm gonna try to pull this plastic shit back as much as I can to fix it. Okay, I got the liftgate open by pulling on some shit in there and it opened up, but I'm gonna take this plastic cover out. Looks like I got a good head start already. So I can get in there and fix it right, because it was kind of gonna be impossible to do that with it shut. So let me go ahead and fuck this up a little bit more and get in there and fix it. But now I've got access to the important thing. Gotta find that bit, put it back in. This should open no problem. So oddly enough, this screw, you can kind of see the little, see how there's a little opening with this, I'm pointing at the camera screen. Here's that hole. You see where this opening is? That screw is supposed to go into that, and obviously something should bind it in there where this other hole is. So I'm just trying to get that wedged in there first, and I'll find a way to attach it. But when that's in there, when you pull the handle up, it's going to push this thing down and release these hooks and open up the liftgate. So simple enough. I've been looking down here to see what could have fell off and broke, but I don't see anything residual. So I'm just going to have to start from scratch. Just remember, the zip tie is always your friend. I took out that ridiculously dumb screw design and just did a zip tie from the handle on the outside to the thing that screw used to attach to one of these things, which I'm missing the black thing there. Goes in the screw and goes in the hole. Let's see if it worked. Well, my God. Alright, so I cut that zip tie back, the excess, and I tightened it up a bit more, and now it's like better than new. I've never felt one of these so crisp. Boom. Opens right up. You can't even see the zip tie now. Well, I guess. But this won't be open. I'm going to have this all covered back up, but it's doing the job, and that shit is thick. I don't think it's gonna break because it took like my sharpest pair of scissors to cut it. So who the fuck is this bum? So I'm gonna go ahead now and try to figure out why this isn't closing up so the glass can close. And well, I already took these little covers out. I'm gonna tighten these up so this fucking window stops shifting around. Look at how loose. I've already been turning this for a minute here. These bolts get for the tailgate glass. It's no wonder they keep sliding around. Let's see if that made a difference. I still have to do these ones on the top, but we've made some improvement. I finally found the whatever the fuck butterfly bit to tighten these up. And this just needed a lubing. See how close these two things are together. But now you look, no problem. So now I can close the glass. It's not going to shift around, and then I can pop it open. So this back section's done.